Valentine's Day had everyone's mind on romance, but with the right setting, you can create romance anytime. System Pavers design consultant Andrew Conlisk is here with a few ideas. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks, Ron. I appreciate you having us.
I'm looking forward to learning these 3 great tips that you've brought to share, starting with fire features. What does that really mean when it comes to bringing romance to the backyard?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. And with us living in Southern California, the reality is we could spend our time 24/7 outdoors. And a great way to reclaim your backyard and use your backyard is through some type of fire feature, whether it's a fire pit or a fireplace. Very, very romantic setting. A great way to come home from work, grab a bottle of wine, spend the time outdoors, watch the sunset, and enjoy the warmth of a fire feature.
Well, that just sounds really lovely. I could get behind that
It
every
is
day
lovely.
of the year.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So our second tip is recreating a vacation memory or a favorite vacation spot.
Okay.
How do we go about that, and what does it really mean?
Great question, and we get that a lot. So every time I meet with a homeowner, I ask them like you just said, a favorite vacation spot, a favorite memory, some destination area that that carries a lot of significance to them. And we're able to do that through various ways of designing their backyard. So it's great to know of a possible, let's take Italy for example. Say someone's in Italy and they got that nice cobblestone alley, that the cafe right next to it, that's a great memory for them. We can literally create that memory in that backyard.
Wow.
So a homeowner can use that 24/7.
And what is the additional tip for maximizing romance here, other than clearly just recreating a very beautiful romantic spot that maybe is special for you and your partner?
Sure. So it could be a variety of ways. It could be a simple water feature, a bubbling urn to create that ambiance noise. It could be a little vegetate or a little garden area, a little secret garden area that maybe you sneak off to and have a glass of wine and enjoy the water feature. So there's a lot of ways of doing it. It's just a matter of really figuring out how the homeowners are looking to actually use their backyard.
Which of course System Pavers can help with. Takes us to our last and third final tip.
Yes.
Cooking outside. It's such a romantic activity already. Why not move it outside in San Diego's beautiful weather?
Oh, I absolutely agree. And it's my favorite aspect of what we do, the outdoor kitchen, the barbecue. Kind of going back to the first question of the fact that we can use the outdoors 24/7. So why would you want to sit inside cooking when you can go outside where you don't have to clean the dishes? You're outside again looking at the sunset. You have your lighting, you have your water feature, you have your fire pit in the distance. So again, really goes back to creating a magical zone for you, and outdoor kitchen's a great way to do that.
Well, thank you so much. So you can cook outside as well as enjoy a beautiful meal out there. Call System Pavers today for a no-cost consultation, 619-312-6760.